Hello viewers, this is Reshma and this is Teshmi. We are from class 9. Here we are going to show the live extraction of DNA from banana.
For this, we have to prepare a precipitation. Take a glass. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt and soap solution. Now add hot water to it. Now stir it well. Here our precipitation is ready. Here I have already prepared the precipitation.
Take a banana, cut it into slices and blend it with blend mix. Here, collect the extraction from banana. I have already collected the extraction from banana.
Now take a test tube and add precipitation, banana extraction also. Now add ethyl alcohol to it. We can observe the DNA formation of banana. And this is the structure of DNA. DNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid. Crick and Watson are the scientists to describe the DNA structure.
And it is double helical in structure.
Thank you.